Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to remove age restriction on Twitter. So to do this, you just have to open your Twitter account. I mean your Twitter application, and then click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen, and then click on settings and support. So right after clicking on that, you just click on again settings and privacy, and then click on privacy and safety. Okay, that's right. And then click on content you see. Now to remove the age restriction, you just have to toggle this switch on so that you'll be able to see and display the media that contain sensitive contents. Okay, and then you can also click on this search settings. So you just have to toggle this switch off in order to disable the settings from hiding the sensitive content on Twitter. So that's it. That's how you can remove age restriction on Twitter. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.